Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to transform my hair using my Kinkistry clip-ins and my Bronze Beauty Temporary Color Gel from GeminiNaturals. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off with my freshly co-washed clip-ins. I'm going in with the 18-inch clip-ins first, and then I'll be moving on to the 20-inch clip-ins. I absolutely love using clip-ins for a quick protective style. They are so easy to install. All you do is open up the clip, secure it on your hair, close the clip, that's it. You can style these clip-ins in a wash and go, twist out, perm rod set. The styles are endless. Now that the clip-ins are all installed, we are going to work on blending this leave out. So for styling, we're doing a twist out, and I am going to be using the GeminiNaturals Temporary Vegan Color Gel in the color Bronze Beauty, along with my Kinkistry gel. So I'm combining my leave out with the Kinkistry clip-ins to do this twist out. Applying some of the Hydrolux gel from Kinkistry, and then adding my Bronze Beauty right on top of that. So now that the twists are all done, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, and we'll be back for the takedown. So here we are ready for the takedown. So we're gonna go ahead and unravel these twists, and yeah, let's get into this definition. On point. Keep watching. And here are my final results. Definitely loving this look. The Bronze Beauty looks so natural. Absolutely love it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you check the description box where I will leave my discount codes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.